our day 3. Yan, mga bata, sarap ng tulog. So we switch hotel. So this one is in Embassy Suites. So ang nakuha namin ni Dexy na view is yung up close ng yung falls na to. Yeah. Shoe, sabi ni Dexy, yung falls. So sobrang lapit ng falls sa amin ngayon. Ayan, unlike dun sa Marriott na yun. So, ito yung hotel namin for 2 nights. Ito, dun sa kabila. Ito siya. Ito, I don't know. Ayan, yung Marriott na to. Ayan. So, meron ding hotel sa pagitan namin. Ito din. This is Tower Hotel. Tapos Marriott din yung kabila na yun. Yung maliit nito. Marriott din yan. Yan. Yan yung Marriott on the Falls and Spa. So, ang ganda ng view din here. Ikakaiba din kasi sobrang lapit mo na. Pero yung aerial ang makikita mo, pero aerial view ang makita mo. So, tingnan mo, oh my goodness. Ang ganda kasi parang nag-ano ngayon yung evaporate. Parang nag-evaporate ang itsura niya. Ayan. Ayan. So, ganito yung view ng mga bata. Well, they're sleeping. Yan ang view ng kids. So, it's a beautiful day today. Sunny. Yan. Ganda. So, ito yung room view. Tulog sila. Ayan, sarap pa ng tulog nila. Yan sila. Oh. It's our day 3.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine.
Dami din kaming activities today. So, yun lang ang kaibahan niya kasi may hotel na here. Unlike there na parang ang sarap lang kasi parang wala kang katabi. Ayan. So, enjoyin muna namin ang view. Hi, Dexa! Free breakfast! Ayan. Free breakfast in here. Yeah. You have to wake up tomorrow early morning too, okay? Yeah. Because there's a lined up. Free breakfast kami today. Oh, ganda. Line up. Parang may mga bar din sila here. So, ito yung lined up. Breakfast, free breakfast ng mga kids. Good thing it's free kasi doon nagbayad pa ako ng 100 sa ano natin, sa food natin in Marriott. So, laki nito. Space na to for breakfast. Ang kinagandahan nito, kita din ang view here. Yeah, so yan. Yan ang Embassy Suites breakfast. Okay, eat ka muna. Mama, you'll get some of my food too, okay? Good morning, Dexta. Good morning, Dexy. So, marami rin yung breakfast nila. Pero syempre, sa may bayad, may bacon. Dito, sausages lang, tsaka egg. Pero pwede na din. At least libre siya. Kasama na sa reservation nyo. Yeah. Okay, kain muna kami. Ayan, may mga fruits din sila. Ang kagandahan lang din is maganda yung view mo. Yan ang view. So, may activity na naman kami today. Behind the falls. What else? Tunnel at and the other one? Yeah. Ewan ko kung ano yung pinagpupok ni Dexy. So, ang cute nito dito, oh. Yan, oh. Daming lock, Dexa, no? Dexa, smile ka muna dyan. Smile, Dexa! Thank you. Let's go. Mamadali na tayo, be. Go inside. So, yan, mababa kami. Yan. So, maybe we can sit down. Wow, ang ganda ng... Ako, dito na lang ako, guys. So, sakay ulit kami dito sa railway. Flying railway. Ano ulit ang tawag dito, Dexy? Inclined railway. Railway. Railway na railway nga ako. Woohoo! Dexa, we're going down. So, ganito siya. Kitang-kita mo din. Air Force. So, ito yung pinaka-best pala na way na gusto mo pumunta dito without any car. Yan. Kasi yung mga car dito may bayad. $35 whole day. Yeah. Per day. Yeah. Yeah, there are, oh yeah, really. Yeah. Entry. May entry na. Oh, really? Okay. Ayan, taba na kami. So, saglitan lang din. 2 minutes. Guys, go! So, journey behind the falls. Ito siya. Tignan natin ang journey behind the falls nila. So, bababa ka din. Oh my God! Go ahead! Yeah. Shower time again! So, dito ilalagay ganito. Shower time! Sabi ni Daddy. Okay. Let's go down. Start of shower, Dexa. Want to take a shower? Careful! Hey, hold Daddy's hand. Daddy, can you hold her hand? Masyadong madulas. Yan na. So, ganito sa behind the falls. So, dadaan kayo sa tunnel din. Yan siya. Oh my God, pasaan time na ata to. Ayan na, mararamdaman mo na yung hangin sa labas. Yan siya. Yan. Sa tunnel talaga siya din. Excuse me. Ito na siya. Ito na. I think we have to go to the other way. Oh, malalabas ka pwede sa baba. Oh my God! Wala kang makita. Naka-blind siya. Oh! Yeah! Kaya pala sinabi. Really? Oh my! Yun siya. Oh my goodness, lumaki siya, babe! Parang palaki na palaki. Oh my, yeah. Ano pala talaga yung bagsak niya, no? So, ayan yung... Amazing, guys. Oh, napaka-amazing niya. Ayan. Ganda. Ayan. Here. So, basa-basa time kayo. Maganda kasi hindi siya ganun kaano yung meat niya. So, yung kikita niyo yung tao, ganito lang. Yeah, sorry. Where's Daddy and Dexa? They go down already? So, that's the time pag mahangin, doon kayo mababasa. Yeah. this is called Behind the Falls adventure also here in Niagara. Yeah. Let's go down. Do you like? Sino sila daddy mo? Who? Daddy? Where? Ah! Andyan sila daddy at Dexa. Second! So, ganito ang itsura here. So, parang may ulan lagi. Ayan. Mga bata nandito. So, dito nagkumpulan yung mga tao. Daddy's there. Where's Dexa? Here. So, ganito dito. So, talagang mababasa ka. Ayan. Very slippery. Kaya lahat kami naka-crocs. Kasi nga, hindi pwede yung rubber shoes. Baka mabasa ka. Ayan. Behind the falls. Ayan siya. Oh my God. Ayan. Behind the falls here. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. Here. Photo tayo, guys. Dexa, where's Dexa? Dexa! Hi! Okay, photo tayo. Enjoy the view, guys! Woo! Parang ulan siya. Umuulan. So, ayan siya. Here. So, this is our third to the last na puntahan namin. Mamaya sa taas na lang daw and then another tunnel. So, yun na. So, ganito yan. Yeah, it's okay. Oh my! So nice! So, ganito. So, ito yung... Oh, tama-tama! May boat! Yeah. Yan si Daddy, oh. Hi, guys! Dexa! Si Dexa tuwang-tuwa sa ulan. Dexy! Tama-tama yan! Grabe! Grabe talaga. Kagabi, ganito ata yung time namin. Pumunta dito. Punta kami sa tunnel portal. So, yan siya. So, dito naman may isang ulit na tunnel. Yeah, so, I'll share to you guys tunnel na to. So, ito yung first na portal na pupuntahan natin. Cataract Portal. Yeah, so portal siya. Ito siya. Yeah, don't run, Dexa! Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we will go Dexa. Ayan, si Dexy and Daddy here. So, we will give them a moment to watch also, take some video and photos.
Oo, kanina sa pinag-inject sa Daddy Live.
I know. They in a hurry, maybe. Ayan, so, take time. So, ito siya, yung portal na yon. Oh my! So, this is the behind the falls. go there. So may portal pa pala sa dito. Dalawa ba to na portal, Lexi? Oh yeah. So this one is behind the falls. So yung likod ng falls siya. So ito yung tunnel na to. Dex, are you okay? Ayan. So, chamber na to ulit. So another pila. Kasi madami din nakapila dyan. Oh, nagtumpukan nga sila. Ayan, so this is the Great Falls Portal naman to. Nag-walk pa rin dito. Our time, guys. Dexa! Hindi mo. Kaya marami naghihintay here. Yan. So, per family siya. So, they are also enjoying. Oh my God.
Baka yan yung nag-reflect yung malamig. Tutukan na, kaya nag-reflect. So this is the behind the falls. Parang ulan lang na malakas. Okay.
Thank you. Let's go. Go. Okay. Done. Again. So, marami nakapili here. Yeah. Paikot to. There. So we're done with the portals. So after this one, we'll go upstairs, guys. Yeah. After here, go upstairs. Ayan. So dito naman ulit kami. So I think this is the second to the last attraction na pupuntahan namin. So go, guys. Come on, there. Yeah.
I'll take care of it.
Dito naman ulit kami. Ayan, we will try here in Fridays. So wala to sa Calgary. Sabi ni Dexie. Dexie, there's no Fridays in Calgary, right? Yeah, so meron tong Embassy Suites. Ayan, Fridays. Ayan, so meron kasi to sa Pinas. So sabi ko sa kanila, let's try their menu. A, not that one. Okay, I think if we don't have any reservation, let's ask. So it's a fine dining here. Yeah, that's us. Come on. So we will try here. Fridays here in Embassy Suites. So meron siyang ganitong konting arcade. Hi. While waiting for the food, Dexa, can we remove this one? Yeah, remove muna natin. Anak, mag-iayos naman yung hair ng kapatid mo. So waiting for the food. So ganito ang ambience ng Fridays here. It's always Friday. So, ang sabi, Dexie, isa lang bang Fridays here, Dexie? Isa lang? Two, yeah. Thank you, yeah.
I think only two in
Calgary,
Calgary.
they don't have in Calgary. So you don't have Fridays in Calgary, right? Unfortunately. No idea. Okay.
No, there's like two of us. I don't know who that is. So I'll
Oh, okay. For her. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Woo! That's Bruce! Yeah. Okay. We're waiting for the food.
just- This one's hot too. Okay.
Thank
Do
you.
you guys anything else? You good?
Okay, we're good. Thank you so much. Yeah. So So, ayan. We have our food na. So, ito yung order namin. We'll try this. Oh, ang laki naman yan. Ang daming fries din pala na ito. Next is a lot of fries too. Okay, enjoy guys. Eat muna kami. So, it's Friday. Let's go. Where's your dad? Ayan, ganito ang bill namin here at Fridays. Yeah, we're done. I know, Dexa. Okay, let's go, girls. Let's go, let's go. Ayan, daytime naman kami here. So, kahit alas 3 ng hapon, nandito kami. Sobrang dami ng tao kasi it's Sunday. So, talagang maraming tao ngayon. Yeah, just hold your hat. Hold your hat, it's hot.
Take a picture on my phone.
Oh, mainit na ha. Careful guys. Si madumi yan. You have to put something. Yeah, coins. Daming tao today. Daming tao dito. Huwag niyo ipakita dyan sa maliit. Hindi pa oras. Uy, ano yun? Mist? Neto? Really? So, let's see. You see that rainbow, Dexa? So, may rainbow here na. Daming tao ngayon. Where's Dexa? Dexa! Mahulog yan, ha? Mahulog. Wow! I love the rainbow, Dexa.
That's why I'm trying to take a picture.
Okay, okay, take a picture of that rainbow. Makyat na kasi nga sobrang gagasan. It's a tree house. You want to try? Something you can go inside. And it's a tree house. Yeah, I think so, yeah. It's a tree house. Let them go first and then we will go. Yeah. Tree house.
Last time.
Yeah?
This wasn't here last time.
So, the tunnel na kami ngayon, it's the last stop, Dexy, no? Last stop namin. So, ang ganda din ng paligid na to. So, yun nga, malayo-layo to ng falls. So, yun yung banda yung maraming tao. So, this is the tunnel. Last stop, guys. Enjoy!